A little bit of a review before we start our new lesson. Number 1 wants us to identify terms, like terms, coefficients, and constants. So start with terms. What are terms? What's the definition of a term?
Anything in the expression.
Everything, right? So we have 4q, what else? 5p, -9, -p, and 8q. Next we had like terms. What's considered a like term? What does that mean? You can combine them in the end. Yep. So what are like terms? Right. Can we put q and p as like terms? No, because they're different letters. Okay. So we got to put q's together. So we have 4q goes with 8q. And then 5p goes with -p. Do we have any other set of like terms? No, because -9 does not have a like term with it. Okay. Coefficients. What's a coefficient? What does that mean? Numbers that go with the variable. So we have 4q. What's the coefficient of 4q? 4. What's the coefficient of 8q? 8. 5p. 5. -p. -1. Yep. Good. Last one, we have constants. What are constants? Numbers without a variable, which we have 1. What is it? -9. Any questions with those 4 terms? Okay. Looking at number 2, it says simplify each expression. What does that mean? There we go. Combine like terms. What are like terms in number 2? 4m and 6m. Combine those. What do you get?
10.
Yep. 4m plus 6m is 10m. And then we have that plus 3 to tag along. On 3, what are like terms?
24a and a.
Yep. 24a and -a. Are we going to add or subtract those? Yes. Watch for those negative signs. We need to subtract those. 24 minus 1. 23a. Then we have that plus 16. Number 4, what's different about number 4? We have to distribute first. So we have 9 times r. 9r. And then we have 9 times 7. 63. And then we have that minus 12r to tag along. Are we done there? No, we still have like terms, right? What's a like term to 9r? -12r. Are we going to add or subtract? Right. Watch for those negative signs. We have 9r minus 12r. -3r. And then we have plus 63. Last one, number 5. We do what first?
Combine like terms?
Not yet.
No.
Number 5. Distribute first. 6 times x. 6x. And then we have 6 times -2. -12. Tag along plus 8x. Now we do what? Yep. 6x plus 8x. 14x. And then we have minus 12. Nice job. Any questions over the quick check before we move on? Oh. All right. Lesson 7.3 today. We are going to be adding linear expressions. Linear expressions is similar to algebraic expressions. Okay? So, similar to what we've been doing, but looking at it a little bit different before we add subtraction in there. Okay? So, looking at these examples, they include models for us. Okay? We aren't going to use the models today, but I might bring them in next week. Okay? So, what these models stand for, there's 3x, so they have 3 x bars. X's are resembled as those bars. Okay? And then we have 4. And the 4, it's a constant, and they use it as units, so they have 4 ones boxes. Okay? And then same thing with the 2x and the 1. So to get from step 1 to step 2, they just put them together. Okay? What we're going to do algebraically is a similar process. Okay? So if I take first, look at A. What does A have that we don't like? That we normally try to get rid of? Parentheses. How are we going to get rid of those parentheses? Yes. Okay? Those parentheses, do they really need to be there? No. Take them out. The operation is addition, so we really do not need those parentheses. Okay, so first step is take the parentheses out and rewrite what you have. Now, does it look like something we've dealt with before? Yeah? What do we got to do? Combine like terms. We have 3x plus 2x, 5x, and then we have 4 plus 1 plus 5. Now, the reason they put the parentheses in there is because when we get to subtraction, we got to be careful. Okay, today we're not getting to subtraction. We're just going to practice combining like terms first. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, we're going to get into subtraction. Okay, so at B, what operation is being used between the parentheses? What operation is here? Addition. So can we just take the parentheses out? Yep, rewrite what you have. So we have negative 4x plus 2 minus 2x plus 2. What do we do from here? Combine like terms. Negative 4x minus 2x. There we go, negative 6x. And then we have 2 plus 2. I was going to say, I know you all know what 2 plus 2 is.
11.
Good guess.
22.
75.
That could make sense too. Okay. Any questions over the process? Okay. First step, just get rid of the parentheses and rewrite what you have. And then combine like terms. Okay. Go ahead and try those next two on your own and then we'll go over it together. Looking at these examples, what operation is in between the parentheses? Addition. So what can we do right off the bat? Not yet. What do we got to do first? Rewrite. Take out the parentheses. 4x plus 5 plus 3x plus 7. Now what can we do? Combine like terms. So we have 4x plus 3x, 7x, and then we have 5 plus 7. Plus 12. Good. On B, what operation is in between the parentheses? Addition. So what do we need to do first? Rewrite. Negative 3x plus 8 minus 2x plus 2. One thing I want to talk about quick, why am I putting a minus sign right there? Because it's negative. Yep. From here, what can I do? Combine like terms. Negative 3x minus 2x. Negative 5x. And then we have 8 plus 2. Plus 10.
20.
Okay? Hey,
5x.
stop. Any questions on these?
69.
Okay, go ahead and try the last slide by yourself. Last one. What operation is in the middle of the parentheses? Addition. So what do we need to do right away? Rewrite. 4x minus 3 minus x plus 5. From here, what do we do now? Combine like terms. You got it. 4x minus x. 3x. And then we have negative 3 plus 5. Plus 2. 3x plus 2. Okay? Lots and lots and lots of practice of combining like terms. Okay?